How to launch a successful business without any experience using franchise.
Have you ever dreamed
Of owning a business but felt held back because you have no experience? You're not alone. Many people hesitate to take the leap into entrepreneurship because they fear failure. But what if I told you there's a way to start a successful business with a proven model, expert support, and a step-by-step roadmap? Today, I'll show you how to launch a successful business using franchises even if you have zero experience. By the end of this video, you'll understand how franchises work, how to choose the right one, and the steps to get started.
Let's dive in.
Chapter 1. Why franchising is the best option for beginners. Starting a business from scratch can be risky. About 20% of new businesses fail within their first year, and 50% don't make it past 5 years. But with franchises, the success rate is much higher. So, why choose a franchise? 1. Proven business model. You don't have to guess what works. The franchise has already tested and optimized the system. 2. Brand recognition. Customers already trust the name, which means you don't have to start from zero. 3. Training and support. Most franchises offer training programs, operational support, and marketing assistance. 4. Easier financing. Banks and investors are more willing to fund a franchise because it has a track record of success. If you're serious about owning a business but lack experience, franchising is one of the safest ways to start.
Chapter 3. The step-by-step process.
Now let's break it.
Break it down into actionable steps to get your franchise up and running. Step 1. Research and select a franchise. Use websites like Franchise Direct or the International Franchise Association to explore opportunities. Make a list of potential franchises that fit your budget and interests. Step 2. Attend Franchise Discovery Days. Franchise Discovery Days allow you to meet the franchisors, ask questions, and see if it's a good fit. It's a crucial step before making a decision. Step 3. Review the Franchise Disclosure Document (FDD). This legal document provides details about fees, rules, and financial expectations. Have a lawyer review it to ensure you understand the obligations. Step 4. Secure financing. Most franchises require an initial investment. You can fund your franchise through personal savings, business loans, or even franchise financing programs. Step 5. Sign the agreement and get training. Once you sign the contract, you'll go through extensive training. This covers everything from operations to marketing and hiring employees. Step 6. Choose a location and set up your business. Location is key for many franchises. Work with the franchisor to find the best spot, set up your store, and prepare for launch. Step 7. Open your franchise and start marketing. Follow the franchise's launch plan, promote your business, and focus on delivering excellent service. Many franchises provide a grand opening strategy to ensure a strong start.
Chapter 4. How to succeed as a franchise
owner. Owning a franchise
doesn't guarantee success. Here are some key tips from top franchise owners to make sure you thrive. 1. Follow the system. Franchises work because they have a proven system. Stick to their guidelines and avoid making drastic changes. 2. Stay involved. Even though franchises provide support, you still need to be hands-on. The most successful franchisees are actively involved in operations. 3. Focus on customer service. Your reputation matters. Excellent service leads to repeat customers, positive reviews, and long-term success. 4. Network with other franchisees. Learn from those who've been in your shoes. Many franchises have forums or mentorship programs where you can connect with experienced owners. 5. Keep learning and adapting. Trends and customer preferences change. Stay updated with industry news and continue learning to keep your business competitive. Chapter 5. Avoid these common franchise mistakes. Before we wrap up, let's go over some common mistakes that new franchise owners make and how you can avoid them. 1. Underestimating costs. Many new franchisees only focus on startup costs but forget about ongoing expenses like marketing, payroll, and inventory. 2. Choosing the wrong franchise. Don't just pick a franchise because it's trendy. Make sure it aligns with your interests and financial goals. 3. Ignoring the franchise guidelines. The biggest mistake new franchisees make is trying to do their own thing. Remember, the system is there for a reason. Follow it. 4. Neglecting customer experience. Even with a strong brand, bad customer service can ruin your business. Train your team well and prioritize customer satisfaction.
Conclusion: is a franchise right for you? So, is franchising the right choice for you? If you want a structured, lower-risk way to start a business and are willing to follow a proven system, then absolutely. With the right franchise, proper research, and dedication, you can build a profitable business even without prior experience. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more business tips, and let me know in the comments what type of franchise interests you the most. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.
Subscribe.
For more business insights and links to related videos.